Desktop GIS and Web GIS differ primarily in their platform, usage, and accessibility. Desktop GIS refers to traditional GIS software like ArcGIS Pro or QGIS that is installed on a computer and used for complex spatial analysis, advanced cartography, and handling large datasets. It offers powerful tools but requires good hardware, local data storage, and often higher licensing costs. In contrast, Web GIS runs through a web browser and is designed for sharing, collaboration, and real-time data access. Examples include ArcGIS Online, Leaflet, and Google Maps API. Web GIS is easy to access from anywhere, supports multiple users, and is ideal for interactive mapping and dashboards, though it may be limited in terms of deep analytical functions compared to desktop GIS. In addition to these, Mobile GIS brings geospatial capabilities to smartphones and tablets, allowing users to collect, update, and analyze data in the field. It's especially useful for real-time data collection, navigation, and location-based services, making GIS more dynamic and responsive to field operations.